Right guys, today we find ourselves riding through the Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar was a beautiful little town and we actually found ourselves stopping here for considerably longer than we expected to. Taking a look around, taking in the sights and having a spot of lunch in one of the local cafes. There's a lot of little local shops to explore in the town. We managed to pick ourselves up some locally made fudge, which I highly recommend if you are a fudge lover because this was absolutely delicious and there were plenty of flavours to choose from. There is also a Christmas shop in the town that is actually open all year round, which Mrs. OG Viking Biker absolutely loved exploring and had to pick up a couple of things ready for our tree, despite the fact that we were actually here in July. We did find the town quite busy and touristy, but as I mentioned, we were there in July. It was the last weekend of July, so it was the start of the summer holidays, and it was a Sunday, so we did fully expect it to be quite busy while we were there. Cheddar is a town that is steeped in history and there is much to explore, from the cliff-top walks boasting impressive panoramic views to the underground cave formations where they still age the local cheese, and not forgetting the world's oldest cheddar cheese shop. There is something for everyone here. It's truly a great family day out, but we are here for the ride and to enjoy the views as we carve our way through on our bikes. Enjoy. thank you all for watching. Ride safe, and remember, life is an adventure. If you enjoyed my video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.